It is early evening, July 30th, 2017. Moving along here. Another wing 65, which will have the portrait drawing of a murdered victim of the Nazi Action T4 capital punishment and euthanasia of the disabled, a Jewish disabled man who I assume would have been either from Germany or Austria, who was in a photo taken at the Buchenwald concentration death camp in 1938. So upper left, I've got most of this done. The whole thing I'm going to need to go over with a fine tooth, so to speak, dental tool. There's still a lot of little specks of grout here and there, but overall it's looking really good. I'm on to the last two sections at last, which were actually the first two sections I did. I think that was the first. Then there was this like furball ejector cat creature. So I'm going to grout those, at least one of those now, and try to get the initial layer off, and then resume over the next couple of days on the head of a schedule, as they say in Scotland, because I usually begin these in April and May and finish them like around September. Sometimes before, sometimes after the Jewish high holidays, but I'm going to be well ahead of time. Once that's all done, then I have to get plexiglass, arrange a ride. I'm going to, I think I'm going to paint the border around them where the drawing is has been conservation mounted on a white backboard or mat board. I'm going to make that blue, and then once that's inset on there and the plex is on there, then I'll begin the final fabrication, which will be sealing in the drawing under the plexiglass with I left this border around there for the wood pieces to seal it in. So, all right, onward. And this might be my favorite section. It's like when I look at this, I say, even though you can't really see the whole thing yet, but I say, ooh, that's my response to listening to Donald Trump and all the support he has from the vice president and all his advisors and the entire Republican congressional and senatorial delegation.